Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Doing a little different video today. We are going to watch the crash test of the 2026 Nissan Sentra. I've seen people reacting to this online a lot lately, and I thought I would give it a go as someone who works at Nissan. So let's go ahead and hit play. I got this video from IIHS on YouTube, and I will have the original video linked below as well if you'd like to watch it for yourself, which I would highly recommend. Moderate overlap. Oh my gosh, the entire front end of that car is gone. And of course, this is a head-on collision. Wow, look at how the hood just crumples like that. It's really honestly quite impressive that the front windshield did not completely shatter. I think that probably says a lot about the quality of glass. Also, those 360 airbags are pretty cool. That's kind of my biggest thought, especially coming with the side impact. I mean, you really want airbags all around you. So that is the top safety pick plus award winner right there, 26 Sentra. Quote, it performed well in updated moderate overlap, side, and front crash tests. Well, keeping it pretty short today, guys, but let us know what you think about that crash test. Should we look at the other vehicle crash tests? I think we should because that was pretty impressive. Let us know what you think about it. Do you feel safe driving it after seeing that and knowing that it is the top pick? And that's actually what a high score looks like. Check out our description below. We'll see you in the next one.